Hi guys, this is me Nidhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I make videos on beauty, lifestyle, health, travel, fashion, food, luxury, whatever you want to. बोले तो जो आपको चाहिए वो आपको मेरे चैनल पे मिलेगा. So today I'm again back with another new video. To start with the video, I request please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press on the bell button so that whenever I upload the video, you get a notification of it. So guys, I am making this video today which is going to be, I am sure it is going to be benefit to lot of people. हम सब आज की डेट में पेंडेमिक से जूझ रहे हैं. आई कांट टेल यू अबाउट इट. मैं पागल हो गई हूँ घर बैठे बैठे दोस्तों. सो हर एवरी डे वी वी आर लिसनिंग कि हाउ डू वी टेक केयर ऑफ आवर सेल्फ, अपनी इम्यूनिटी कैसे बूस्ट करें. आप अब इट्स बीइंग अ लॉट ऑफ, आई नो दैट माई इम्यूनिटी इज़ रियली वेरी लो, माई इम्यून सिस्टम इज़ लो. So what I do to take care of myself to fight against this virus, I am gonna show you this and I am sure this is going to help you also. So let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna tell you what I use to take care of myself during this pandemic. So I've been using this immunity booster from Krishna Herbal, which has cloe, tulsi, ashwagandha, neem, amla, aloe vera, wheatgrass, harder, arjun chal. So basically it is the Krishna Herbal is basically a company which makes a different kind of a product which is either related to the immunity booster, or you have any problem like thyroid, PCOD, or you wanted to have the juices like aloe vera juices, tulsi juice and all that. So I got this products from Krishna Herbal, which is basically a Jeevan Sanjivani. So this is basically a Jeevan Sanjivani Kavat. So this basically is an immunity booster which I personally been using it, and I've been having this immunity booster from almost a week now. This is the second bottle that I have I've got it from them, and which has all those ingredients which will help you to save, and which will help you to fight against this virus this time. So the next healthy product that I have from Krishna Herbal is this. This is basically a avla juice. See, everybody know how good a avla juice is for your body. If you are constipated, or if you wanted to have a good skin, you wanted to lose weight, or probably you have a lot of hair fall, to take care of your hair. And basically आंवला जूस एक ऐसा जूस है जो आपको आपकी बॉडी के अंदर जाके आपकी कई सारी बीमारियों से लड़ता है, और आपको एक अच्छी स्किन, अच्छे बाल और अच्छा हेल्दी लिवर आपको देता है. सो दिस इज़ अ जूस, Avla juice by Krishna Herbal. So lot of people make juice with the dry avla. बहुत कम लोगों को पता है कि ड्राई आंवला इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर योर बॉडी. अगर आपको आंवला जूस पीना है तो इट शुड बी एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द एक्चुअल आंवलास. सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली a juice which is extracted from real amlas. So all you have to do is, you just have to get this bottle, shake it well, and this cup, have this cup of it has the measurements 10 ml, 15 ml. So have this measurements for 2 cups of like a 15 ml in the morning. Use it every day, have it every day, and you see the difference. So don't forget to have this kind of a amla, so to have a healthy body. So the next product I'm gonna show you for your healthy body is this. So this is basically a aloe vera juice. I don't have to tell you what is aloe vera juice. Every girl is struggling who is struggling to lose weight. I am sure she must be knowing what is the importance of this juice in your life. So this basically a aloe vera juice is by Krishna Herbal, and I'll tell you, all you have to do is you have to use use this. You have to have this like a 30 ml of juice, empty stomach, after an evening, 30 ml after having dinner, which you repeat this process for a month and you see the change. I'm gonna show you how does it look like, the bottle. So that's the bottle. Shake it well, and that's how it look like. See, so it is basically extracted from a natural aloe vera, so there is no side effect of it. You can surely try. So guys, this is not a sponsored product, this is something which I bought it from their website. So I am giving you actual feedback of it, because my family and me are using this kind of a product from Krishna Herbal for a very long time now, and it has given us a healthy change in our regular body. The next two products are for the beauty lover. I am sure I have made this content very very healthy centric, but then I have, like I mentioned, that whatever you want, you will get everything on my YouTube channel. So the next product that I have got is for the beauty people, is basically this. So this is basically a handmade soap by Krishna Herbals. So this is I'm a lover of kesar. I basically try to use a lot of handmaids and a natural thing in my daily routine. So that's how I ordered this product from their website. I'm gonna show you how does it look like, since it is a handmade and it is basically made up of kesar. So it is made up of a real kesar. Can you see? See, it has a kesar pieces also inside. See. So this is how it look like. I've been using their different flavors. I've been this soap flavors from them. So I thought, why not I could try for kesar this time. So this is completely a natural product which is extracted from a real kesar, and it is not even that very expensive. It's just for 80 rupees, and it's 100 gram of soap. So you can also try for this if you are a lover of a natural product. So this is a big yay for you. Next product I have for a beauty lover is this. You must have seen in my other videos of talking about the aloe vera gel, which is a natural aloe vera gel with no extra fragrance and no extra color. So I've been I've been looking for a kind of a product which I could use it in my a daily routine, and I'm not a person who like a lot of colors in the creams or in the gels. So I'm a person who like the natural products a lot. That's how I landed to their website, and I got to know about their this product, which is a aloe vera gel. It's a all skin type. So this gel doesn't have any extra color, any extra fragrance. So people like me would surely love it. So that's how its texture is. That's how its texture is. So it is also not that very expensive. It is of it is 250 grams, and I bought it for like a 160 rupees. So you can also try this product. So that's it for the day, guys. This is all what I have, a healthy tips and a healthy products that I've been using in my regular routine, and my family is being using in a regular routine. My parents are quite quite old, so in this pandemic I make sure that I take care of them by giving the healthy ingredients in their regular routine because of our lifestyle. So that's what we've been using for for me, my family, my husband, and everybody for in this pandemic to take care of herself. Do try them. I'm gonna link it all the products in my description box. Do try them and do give your feedback on the same. These products are not that very expensive. They are quite friendly. So it's like, you know, a juice of like 500 ml is just for a 150 rupees. So it's something which, you know, a pocket friendly kind of a juices. So you can surely try once. That's all for today. I'm gonna come again with new content, new thought, new idea. Till then, bye bye.